This product is something I had to pick up. I have a 7.3 liter 2000 model diesel F350. Super desirable to steal, and you can steal that thing with a screwdriver if you really had to. So what I wanted to do was something that would be a deterrent, so I picked up the club. Now, the club has actually improved from the original club everybody knows, right? One, they got this bright yellow color, so it's very easily visible. Super easy to install and uninstall. Let me go ahead and pull this out of here. Now, what I love about this right away is that it actually comes collapsed here, and you can extend it without the key. So this means that you're always like fumbling for your truck keys. Let me pull my truck keys out here. So you don't have to always be fumbling for your keys. For me, it's when I hop in the truck, I do a quick thing. I turn the key, which loosens it, and it can go in and out. So I loosen it. I put it over on the back floorboard, and I have it. When I get back in the truck and I'm ready to leave, I extend it into position. It's showing up bright yellow in the window, and everybody knows that this 7.3 is going to be a little bit harder to steal than the average one in the parking lot. So hopefully they move on to the next one. Here's my truck, 7.3 liter. It does actually have immobilizers and other bypasses that I put in that will stop people, but this is how easy it is to install. So I go ahead and put that in. You don't need a key to do the installation, and that's what it looks like. You just put it in a way that it's going to be awkward or difficult for them to steer your vehicle. And yes, they can cut your thing, but when they come up to your vehicle and they look in, they're going to see this bright yellow, and sometimes I'll install it the other way so it's pointing actually towards the window, so they know, okay, I'm going to skip by this truck. It's not worth dealing with that. To get out of there, it's very easy. I take my keys like I normally am going to leave, and I just put it in there, turn the key, and it adds maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds on each time that I get in and out of my vehicle. And that is enough to keep me from having to try to find another turbocharged 7.3 whatever in good condition, which is almost impossible. They're like a unicorn right now, and I love that truck. So this is, again, the Club